Thank you for your interest in our Tiffin Phaeton. The purpose of this video is to let you know a little bit about the startup and the breakout and then the breakdown from your campsite. We'll walk you through all three parts so that you're familiar with the equipment. When you come to the RV, it's basically not operational. So I'll walk you through how to get the RV fully functional by walking around the outside bays. The first bay on the passenger side is your propane tank. Then you have your storage bays on each of the side. They are opened with this key. But most importantly, the first thing that you'll want to do is open up the storage batteries. The first thing that you need to do is power up the chassis batteries. There's a knob and it will go from red to green. This will allow you actually to start the engine. Before you do anything else, you've already turned on the chassis batteries. This is where you turn on the house batteries. Again, going from red to green. This will allow the inverter to actually to be supplying power to the house. One of the most important bays you'll find is where the water and the sewage are held. Just to let you know, this is your gray water, this is your black water. They are shut off. And then this is your hose for your sewage drain. Toward the very rear of the RV is where all the power is found. This is where your cable hookup is. This is where we store the water hose when you connect to sewer. And this is for your shore power. This is allowing you to connect to a 50 amp outlet to power up when you're docked at shore. The generator for the RV is found in the front of the RV. To access it externally, there is a knob that you need to pull right here, and it'll allow you to pull open and slide it open. Also, this RV comes with an air supply. Here's the air hose. You can plug it in here and allow you to fill air beds, even apply some, get some air in the tires if the air pressure is a little low. This is the generator for the RV. It can be started internally, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of where you can access it in case you have to start it externally. There's a power on switch right there. There are two keys to the door. The round key that says Phaeton on it will unlock the lower lock. The marked door opens the upper lock. Come on board and let's see what's inside the RV. One of the things you want to make sure that you don't do is turn on the air conditioning unit before you've actually turned on the generator. Make sure that you turn the air conditioning unit on or off in advance of either starting the generator or turning it off. The key . That started the engine. We're about to start the generator. The generator is now running. If the RV is pretty hot, like it is in this situation, you can then walk back here and turn on the air conditioning unit to the cool mode. There is a cool, an off, a heat, and this is a 3-zone air conditioner thermostat. So you can have zone 1 and you can set the temperature, zone 2 and zone 3. The cockpit has the GPS and the rear. Those are controlled by turning on the radio from this powered supply right here. This is your transmission where you have reverse, neutral, and drive. You don't have a park per se, but you always put it in neutral and pull the parking brake. When you get to the site, one of the things that you're going to want to do is, with the engine running, lower the jacks. The jacks are controlled here. I'm not going to lower them, but the way that you process that is you turn it on and hit all, and this will automatically lower the leveling jacks. It is strongly recommended that you do not have any movement in the RV while the auto jacks are leveling. If you want to retract them, again, you hit on, hit retract, and hit all, and then all the jacks will be leveled. When it is, you'll know that the lights are all green, letting you know that the jacks are set and level. The visor for the front are all automatically controlled. Again, they're controlled here. All of the controls for the RV are completely located above the cockpit. Let me walk you through. This is the inverter that will allow you to move power from the generator. The inverter, the battery powers are now being recharged from the generator. That's all done there automatically. The slides, there's the driver's side and the passenger side. They're marked in and out. The driver's side slides are hydraulically powered, therefore the engine needs to be on for them to function. The passenger side slides are electric, and so the generator and or shore power has to be connected for those to be completely operational. You're turning on for your hot water heater. It is both, hot water heater can be supplied by either electric and or LP gas. When you get to shore and you power up and you connect, you want to turn both of those on. Your test for your gas, your fresh water, your gray water, and your black water, all the sensors are there to let you know where things are right now. Generally, I will let you know that the black water sensors are pretty unreliable. You probably at least once a day want to flush both your black and your gray water. And then your awning, to retract and extend your awning, that can be done here, also here. This comes with an auto retract. If the wind sensor is on, if wind speeds get up to 20 miles an hour, it will automatically retract the awning. The slides for the back bedroom are in the back bedroom. Again, driver's side and passenger side. Same here. The engine has to be on for the driver's side slide to work. The electric slide on this. Also, I want to highlight for you that this bed is an air number, a sleep number bed, and the control for the sleep number is handled, and it's kept right here in this slide drawer. All the manuals and information for everything in the RV is kept in this blue binder right above the sofa. If there's any questions, oftentimes you can reference it to get to know what to do next. Registration and insurance for the RV are kept in this drawer right here. This sleeps 6 comfortably. This is a queen size sleeper sofa. When the sides are out, you can just pull off the cushions and this pulls out. It has an air mattress in it, so you make sure you want to fill the mattress inside with air, let it out. And then this is a jackknife sofa in which you lift it. There's a little lever there. You pull the lever, you lift it, and it'll sleep one comfortably. This pulls down. You can lift it up. It'll slide down. This folds underneath, and it'll sit right on top of the. Right on top of this, you pull these cushions off, place this on top of the table, and it'll sleep another individual. And of course, the master bedroom sleeps too. The covers for the gas grill can be stored underneath the sink. There's a slot specifically for them right there. This is a convection microwave oven with all the control panels here. This is an LP gas stovetop and an LP gas miniature oven. You have a residential refrigerator and you have a freezer with an ice maker. Okay, once you're ready to pick up from camp, one of the first things that you'll do is you'll retrieve all the slides and bring them in. You'll come inside and you will make sure that you turn off the air conditioning unit. You want to make sure that it is not on next time that you want to start up the generator, so that it doesn't put that weight on the generator. Be sure to turn off all the lights. Before you power down everything, go ahead and make sure that you close the visors when you're storing. Visors will only come down, this visor will only come down partially when the engine is on. When the engine's turned off, the balance of it will come down. So, as you can see, I'm leaving the engine on, or the generator on, so the house still has power to shut the visors. Final things that you want to do is make sure that you lock up the RV using both locks. Just make sure that you turn off the battery to both the chassis and the house, going from green to red. Be sure that you also lock all the bay doors. Again, you want to make sure that we turn from green to red the house batteries.